Hello, and welcome back to Curiosity Corner. My name is Jared, your friendly science Viking, and today we talked about bridges. We had a great discussion, it was a lot of fun, and I want to give a special shout out to Amelia, who turns 11 today, and to Dylan, who promised he could build a bridge. I still want to see it. But we had a question come from Erica, who asked if this was a how truss. Not to be confused with a when truss or a where truss. Sorry, I couldn't help it. Now, a Howe truss was designed in 1840 by a man named William Howe. He named it after himself. Everyone does. And this design came from the need to build bridges that trains could drive down. Because after all, that's not going to cut it. So his design incorporated two things. A vertical column, which would always be in tension. That means always trying to escape. It's always trying to move. And all the weight is put on it. And a diagonal, which is compacting, which is always smushing down our verticals. So these are always trying to escape. These are always keeping them in. And that creates perfect balance in our bridge. So, long story short, Erica, yes it is. Well, glad we got to clear that up. So, make sure you check back tomorrow at 10:30. We have a very, very special guest, very special episode of Curiosity Corner. We're going to have actual astronaut Colonel Doug Wheelock here, who's going to discuss how to survive while being confined in a tight space. And he would know, as he's logged 178 days in space. So make sure you come back tomorrow. Don't miss that. Like this video, like all of our videos. Watch them all. Learn about science. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on anything. Have fun, be safe, and stay curious.